Hi everyone, welcome to Smokey the Cat's YouTube channel. Smokey's a pandemic baby, born November 21st, 2020. He was at a rescue shelter, Metro Animal Control here in Nashville, Tennessee, needing a home. We found him September 26th, 2021. He was 10-month old and he looked scared. When we got him home, we noticed he had a bite out of his side. He'd been bitten. He looked pitiful. Now we were praying he didn't have feline AIDS. So we watched as he licked his wound every day, and finally, after a month, he was healed. Then, with a lot of love, he began to flourish. He met his sissy, our calico cat named Wookie, and she toughened him right up. He ate and he ate, and he grew and he grew, and now he's a beautiful cat. Gorgeous coat of long hair. He looks like a king, with a confidence to match. He loves his new home, and we love him, and he knows it. So this YouTube channel is dedicated to the crazy things he does. We hope his adventures put a smile on your face.